Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. So today's video is my pregnancy essentials. I am almost 27 weeks pregnant, so I do have a ways to go. However, I feel like I have a pretty good idea of what you are going to need throughout your pregnancy to make you more comfortable, make your life easier, make you feel better, a little bit of all of that. I'm sticking to about 10 products so I don't keep you here all day, and I have been doing several pregnancy videos. I've been sharing like how I'm feeling, how the baby's doing, buying things for the nursery, starting the nursery, just like tons of everyday pregnant stuff. So if you're into those videos, the playlist is down below for you. If you are new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. There is way more on here than just pregnancy stuff, so I like to mix it up a little. Also, please give this a like if you find it helpful. Everything I mention will be down below, and let's get started. The first product I want to talk about is a spot treatment for acne, because up to 80% of pregnant women will break out worse while they're pregnant, at least in the first trimester, than they typically do. And that was totally me. My acne was so bad, like right around here. I couldn't keep up with it, and it sucks, honestly. Like, people don't want to have pimples, you know? Especially when you're pregnant and you're hormonal and you're going through a lot of things. The last thing you want to worry about is your skin. And so I wanted to share this. It's by Mario Badescu. It's called the Buffering Lotion, and it's a liquid, so you just shake it and then you put it on your spots. I am right here, and I have used a ton of this. I bought it on Amazon, so I will link it for you from there. But I did my own research. I encourage you guys to do your own research too, and everything that I read said this was safe for pregnancy. I know the top two ingredients you want to avoid are salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide, and almost every product over the counter for acne has those ingredients, so I wanted to find something obviously that doesn't have it. But this works extremely well, and even if you're watching this and you're not pregnant and you need a spot treatment, this is the one that you want to get. It lasts such a long time. It is like a little more pricey than a drugstore product, but it works better and it lasts longer, so it evens out. And it's really great for those under the skin pimples, like the really big ones. The next thing is a nursing bra, and you're probably thinking, why do you need a nursing bra if you're pregnant, you're not nursing? And this is a tip I read before I was even pregnant. I don't know if I read it on Pinterest or somewhere, but a lot of people were saying get them while you're pregnant, because your boobs, for most people, they get larger while you're pregnant. They'll be larger after you're pregnant. And so you're sizing up anyway, so you might as well just get some nursing bras you can wear while pregnant and after pregnant to use them longer, to kind of save you money, so you're not buying some new bras while you're pregnant and then the nursing bras after. And I love that tip because they feel exactly the same. There is not a difference except for it has an extra feature on it. So this one is from Target. I really like this, you guys. I have a medium. I think the sizes are just like small, medium, large, extra large. And by the way, with Target, I know they have way more sizes online than they have in store. So if you are extra small, extra large, whatever it is, they probably have it online. And this has so many like size things right here. It's 3 clasps. And there are 6 different size things on the back for where you hook it. So that is really nice. It will fit a lot of different size people. And then the only thing obviously for the nursing style is just a hook right here, and then it opens up. So yeah, it feels like a regular bra to me. I wouldn't even know the difference, and it's very comfortable. And I just love it. So I wanted to mention those ones from Target, but I feel like that is such a great idea because it's my first baby for me. I obviously hope, or not obviously, but I hope I can nurse, but I don't know if I will be able to. And I'm glad I'm buying them right now because I can wear them for several months before the baby's here, probably wear them after, and I'm not just like spending money on 2 different sets of bras. I have the same set. I'm going to wear them longer. I'm not wasting money. And up next are bath salts, Epsom salts, Epsom salts. I don't even know if that word ends in an N or an M, but you know what I'm talking about, bath salt. And I'm not even a bath person in the first place, but I feel like you cannot get through a pregnancy without taking baths. Things ache, things hurt, and it really does make a difference and make you feel a lot better. I personally have gotten this far, almost 27 weeks, without taking a Tylenol even once, so I'm really trying to get like as far as I can without taking anything. And a bath has helped me for when my legs ache, when my feet ache, when my back aches. Like, it just helps a lot. I just take really shallow baths too. I don't like anything on my stomach. It's weird. If I'm at home hanging out, like I have my shirt pulled up over my stomach. I don't like fitted or tight things on my stomach. I don't know. It's just how I have felt throughout this, but you need baths and you need something to put in the water, and these help a lot. Whenever I read online like what to do about certain aches and pains, this is exactly what people say. And of course it's not, I mean, if you have like extreme pain, obviously talk to your doctor. You probably have to take something for it. But if you just have some aches, it's been a long day, you've been on your feet a lot of the times a warm bath with bath salts in it is really all you need. Next up are the pillows. This is like a big body pillow, and I have a wedge pillow right here. There's tons of different like pregnancy pillows you can get, but I really feel like the full body pillows that wrap all the way around you are so important, and they're so versatile. There's like a million ways to use them. I've had that huge one since my first trimester. I've used it every single night. When you're pregnant, things ache, things hurt. They're going to ache a lot more than they typically do. Things that have never ached are going to ache. For example, if I don't sleep with that, I will have hip pain as soon as I wake up because I put the bottom one like right in between my legs, and then I wrap it around the back of me, and I love that. I know you guys are gonna love that because again, I have used it every single night. Whenever it falls off the bed and I'm not using it is when I hurt. And then this is a wedge pillow that I've had for about 2 weeks. And again, every single night I've used it since I got it. This is an Amazon purchase, very affordable. And I used to be a back sleeper and a stomach sleeper. I never slept on my sides. And obviously while you're pregnant, you have to sleep on your sides. So it has been hard for me to do that. And sometimes I put this in front of me on my stomach or like right under my stomach to hold it up and give me a little more support. And sometimes I put this behind me so that I can't roll over. This has made a very big difference for me. As soon as you start like really getting a belly, I think you need one of these. And I would recommend starting out with a wedge pillow as soon as you want to, because I found it super comfortable like right away. So I really feel like the pillows are things that absolutely everybody needs. If you don't have these, then you have a zillion regular pillows around you. So I recommend these so much. Next up are shoes, and I don't know if anyone else has ever talked about this in pregnancy videos. I don't watch a ton of the videos that I film, as strange as that probably sounds, but I don't know, I like things to be like from a personal experience, you know? So this is something I never even thought I would possibly need while pregnant, but you really need a pair of like house shoes, as I call them. And it's just a cheap pair of sandals from Target that have support in them. So flip-flops are going to be on their way out once you get fairly pregnant because everything's gonna hurt. They give you no support, and they're like way more of a negative when you're pregnant than they typically are when you're not pregnant because your body has more weight. And believe me, your feet are going to hurt. So I wear these inside the house and I rinse them in the bathtub if they get dirty, but they're just like a foam sandal that has support here in the arch. This helps me a lot. It helps me with feet hurting, with my legs hurting, with my back hurting. It's such a little thing and it really does make a big, big difference. Sorry, a lot of the things I'm holding up are like white, so it's being washed out on the camera, but everything is gonna be linked for you. And then the other thing is sneakers, and just make sure you have a good pair of shoes for walking around, because honestly, I have noticed, especially the last like week and a half, this is when the balance really starts to be off and you are gonna be a little more, I don't even know how to describe it, but like a woozy feeling when you're doing things that you typically do. Like when I get in and out of the bathtub, I've noticed I'm a little more off balance than I ever was before. So these are like very, very well gripped. How do you even say that? I don't know. I feel like I have the hardest time explaining things in these sit down videos, but these like hug the ground. I don't feel like I'm sliding around at all. I feel just like way more supportive in these. So I wear these on walks. I wear these when I'm going out to the grocery store, whatever. Of course, sometimes I wear shoes that are really cute and all of that, but everyone needs some good supportive shoes while you're pregnant. And next up are clothes. I wanted to touch on this because anything maternity is expensive. It's just a fact of life, okay? It's more money than regular clothes, so I do try and get around it when I can. Of course, some things you do have to buy, or at least I recommend that you do, which I'm going to get into in just a second. But the first thing I recommend, as random as it is, are graphic tees, because you just have to size up. You can get them at Target for really affordable prices. This one was $12. The one I'm putting a picture up right here was $14. And honestly, I do recommend you buy them online, because I went to Target last night to like show you guys several in person, and they only had an extra small and extra large, and I'm not even exaggerating, like 9 different styles. I was very annoyed. But I love those, and I'm wearing a medium. I think I said that. I will probably have to size up to a large eventually, but they're just very affordable, and I don't want to spend $30 on a t-shirt that is like a pregnant shirt that I know I'm not going to wear after. So those are really good. I feel like those graphic tees look good on everybody, pregnant or not. They're so easy to style. You can wear with a pair of jeans and a jacket. You can wear them with a pair of leggings and sandals, like whatever you want to wear those with. A super comfortable outfit or a casual kind of dressed up, not fully dressed up, but I know you guys know what I mean, like a put together outfit. They always look really cute. And everybody needs some maternity sweatpants. I tried to get around it, but honestly, it's impossible. Like sweatpants and pants in general, they get so much tighter throughout the day while you're pregnant. So get some sweatpants from ASOS. I really like theirs. The last maternity outfit item I think you need are jeans, of course. These jeans, you guys, are from Target. They are $30. They are the underbelly style, and any denim for pregnancy is so expensive everywhere else. I've looked at like every website. If you have followed me for a while, then you know that I'm just that kind of person. I want to look at all of my options, and I have seen them for $100, $150, $120, $95, $75. I'm just like, I'm not spending that much money on something I'm only going to wear for a few months. So I'm extremely impressed. I think these look like $75 jeans at least. I wouldn't be able to tell. They wear really nicely. They don't stretch out immediately like a lot of very affordable stuff does, and I can't get over them. I personally really like the underbelly style, which again tends to be way more expensive from a lot of other stores, but at Target they have really good prices, so totally recommend that you buy your denim from there. I have bought a lot of shorts, or not a lot of shorts, but a few shorts from Old Navy. I have one pair from Target, and I really feel like the spandex, it's in the same spot on them, but it like really digs into my skin, which is very weird. And I don't have that problem at all with these. So yeah, for full-size jeans or full-length jeans, get them from Target. For shorts, if you need shorts when you're pregnant, get those from Old Navy. And the last thing I want to share with you, which is probably going to seem very random and weird, but I have forgotten to talk about this in every single pregnancy video I've done. And having nightmares while you're pregnant is very common. I've never had them in my whole life. I mean, I'm sure I've had them here and there, but like regularly, I've never had that problem. And if I do not have the Rain app on while I'm sleeping, I will have a nightmare. I've only forgotten to turn it on like 3 times, and every single time I forgot, I had a nightmare. So it's just called Rain. This is an app I've had for like 3 years on my phone. It's free. It's the best app for sounds while you're sleeping, because they have like, I don't know, 75 sounds. There's a ton of them, and they're all free. But since becoming pregnant and having the nightmares, I use it every single night. And I really like city rain, forest rain, and the thunderstorms, but there's like tons of different sound options. So yeah, just wanted to mention that if you have any nightmares while you're pregnant, use the Rain app, and hopefully it works for you as well as it's worked for me. And those are all of my pregnancy essentials. This video took me way longer to film than it took you to watch it. I had to start over a million times. I'm like talking a million miles a minute, and then it doesn't even come out as real words, hopefully, or not hopefully, but it's probably a pregnancy thing. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Please hit the like button if you did. Please subscribe if you're new. Everything that I talked about is down below in the description box and linked for you, and my pregnancy playlist is down there too, recent videos and more. So don't miss out on that description box, and I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!